Hey everybody! No, I'm not in the kitchen today. As you can see, we're outside. Today is a beautiful fall day. I need to do a porch refresh. I need to spray down the porch, get it cleaned. My bench, the paint's kind of faded, so I need to, put a little light coat of black paint on it. Trim up these little bushes a little bit and just make it look like fall, y'all, because fall is here, and I love to decorate for fall. I actually enjoy working outside along with my dude number one. He does the cutting of the grass and the weed eating, but I love to work outside, trimming bushes, planting flowers and different stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do. I love to pick up my pumpkins every year from Aldi. So let me share these pumpkins. I picked up pumpkins, some creeping Jenny. I pulled out, let me just show y'all. I pulled out these two little planters from the back, so I definitely need to clean those, and I need to put some more spray paint on it. It's kind of rusty. These are my pumpkins that I purchased from Aldi. I love their pumpkins. All sizes were the same price now. There was a week they were on sale for $2.50, but I missed the sale, so these were $3.49. But it doesn't matter what the size, they were $3.49. It's my creeping Jenny that I got right here from Lowe's today. And then I'm gonna plant these mums. Now I've never purchased them. Now I've purchased them, but I usually purchase the bigger ones that that are in the pretty containers. But this year I decided to purchase some of the smaller ones, and I think I'm gonna go back and get some more, maybe some different colors. But I want to put these in the ground because they do come back. They're perennials. They come back every year. So I'm gonna put these in the ground this year and just see how I like those. And also with my pumpkins, I'm going to paint them. I don't want them, I don't know that I want any of them orange. So I'm gonna paint them like these colors right here. These are the paints that I picked up. Well, a couple of them I had, and I picked up a couple of other colors because I want them, as you can see, well, that black is for my bench and the planters. But then I have that green, kind of like that, almost like an army green, and then the gray, then the lighter green, and then like a cream color. And I do have a blue that I had to mix up, and because I couldn't find that blue. I call it like a robin's egg blue, and I couldn't find that in the store. And I had some old chalk paint that I've had for every bit of 5 years or so. I just mixed two colors together to kind of give me my robin's egg blue. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. And like I said, I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me. guys, it's the next day. We ran out of daylight yesterday, so
Hey
we're back
everybody,
at it today.
I'm back. Like them girls on Jerry Springer that don't brought the ninth dad. You the daddy. You the daddy.
You silly. We getting back at it, y'all.
Are we finished?
Did you get all the way up there near the top?
Yeah, I did it.
Well, you finished then, babe.
Huh?
Thank you. Yeah, you can stop. Y'all, I'm tired. How in the world did we end up pressure washing the house? I was supposed to be cleaning off and giving my front porch a refresh. How we get into all that? Anyway, my dude number one, aka my husband, he around the house still doing something. Listen, I'm tired. It's about 5 hours later. I'm tired, so this is what the porch look like. Listen, y'all, shake something. That's it. Well, first you have to subscribe if you want to. Then when you shake something, you turn on that notification bell. Hit the bell, because you nosy. Yeah, just gonna hit the bell. Y'all, I'm tired. Woo, thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Mouth dry. Feel like I got to wipe my look. Hands ashy. Look, y'all. Listen, thank y'all. Bye.